The Simple Green Foamer Pro is a portable foam applicator that combines the many advantages of foam cleaning with the familiar ease and portability of a typical pump-up sprayer. The professional model creates rich, clinging foam that adheres to surfaces longer, maximizing chemical effectiveness and reducing over-application. It features a heavy-duty, easy-grip trigger gun with 10-inch extension wand, a 6-foot hose, a wide-patterned stainless steel fan nozzle, and a locking latch for fast and precise application. The 3 US gallon tank can withstand chemical temperatures up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. The durable manual pump can create up to 45 psi. It also includes a quick charge valve that can be used with a compressor to eliminate pumping, making it ideal for small or large jobs. Start by adding foaming chemical and water to tank. For best results, fill tank halfway. Securely tighten cap. Pump handle several times until resistance prevents further pumping or pop-off valve begins to rise. Pull trigger to begin foaming. Re-pump as foam begins to slow down. When complete, relieve pressure by pulling the pressure relief valve on the side of the tank. Do this before each refill to ensure no pressure exists before removing lid and pump.